Hello everyone, I'm Elike Smith. Today I'm going to show you how to use Visual Studio Code for Python programming. I'm going to show you how to write Hello World and welcome to Essential Skills Academy by ES Tech Solution, a subsidiary of Eli Smith Ventures. You can learn from this video and always reach out to ESA. To use Visual Studio Code for Python programming, first you have to install two things, Python and Visual Studio Code. Simply go to your favorite browser like Google and type Python download. So you download the Windows version if your computer is Windows and then install. Once you have Python downloaded, next is to download the Visual Studio Code. Just simply type Visual Studio Code download and then install. Go to your download folder on your system and you will see both Python and Visual Studio Code software downloaded. To install Python, simply double click and mark the two options and then click on Customize Installation. Ensure all the options features are clicked and then click Next. It will then install. Follow us on YouTube, subscribe and turn on the notification button. Now that you have Python fully downloaded, go to search and type CMD to open your comment prompt. Then simply type Python and you will get this type of prompt. If you see this, just know that your Python was successfully installed. So now it's time to install the Visual Studio Code by double clicking on it to open, then accept the license option. Click on Next, then select all the checkboxes and then click on Next. Then click on Install. Then click on Finish to launch the Visual Studio Code. It's open now. You can close the Welcome Note and click on this Explorer and open the folder. Then go to Desktop and create a new folder which you can name Python Workspace. Then click on Select Folder. So that is going to open our Python Workspace on Visual Studio Code. You can click on the Yes, I trust the author option. So Python Workspace folder is rightly open here. Just create a new file by selecting the icon and name this file as helloworld.py for Python, and that's gonna open the file. Let's install one plugin. Go to these institutions and type Python. It's going to show you this plugin Python installer, and you will see that our extension for Python Studio Code is rightly installed. So let's go back to our file helloworld.py and write a simple Python program over here. Print hello world and then go to the file up and save this file. Then you will see a run button over here at the top. Click on it and it will show you the output over here. So that's how to write your Python programs. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to install your Python packages. For that, you have to create a virtual environment for Python. Alright, so just quickly place on your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+P, then it will open these options. So just quickly type Python create environment and it will show you the option. Click on it and it's going to ask you what environment to create. Just select the first one and select the Python interpreter and it will create your Python virtual environment. So you can see that our Python is rightly created and is showing web environment over here. So now you can install any Python packages you want. Let's come down over here and install NumPy. Type pip install NumPy. Click enter and that's going to quickly install the package. You can see that our NumPy is rightly installed. So this is where and how you can freely install any Python packages on Visual Studio Code, and you can start working on your Python programs. So that's basically all about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification button and share our videos. Thank you for watching this video and God bless you.